Waking up feeling groggy and exhausted? A wake-up light alarm clock can transform your mornings by simulating a natural sunrise, helping you rise refreshed and energized. In this video, we'll explore the best wake-up lights of 2025, comparing their features, brightness levels, and sleep-enhancing benefits. If you're ready to upgrade your mornings, check out the product links in the description below. Now let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Jall Sunrise Alarm Clock is a versatile wake-up light designed to make mornings easier for both heavy sleepers and children. Featuring a sunrise simulation, this digital alarm clock gradually increases brightness from 10% to 100% over 30 minutes before your set wake-up time, mimicking a natural sunrise. For those who prefer a quicker wake-up, the duration can be adjusted to 20 or 10 minutes. With 7 natural sounds including bird songs, sea waves, and piano music, the Jall Sunrise Alarm Clock ensures a gentle and refreshing morning routine. It supports dual alarms, allowing different wake-up times for family members, and offers customizable settings for everyday, weekday, or weekend schedules. A convenient snooze function provides an additional 9 minutes of rest for those who need a bit more time before starting their day. This wake-up light also doubles as a bedside lamp, night light, or mood light, with adjustable brightness levels and multiple color options such as blue, red, and green. The LED time display offers 3 brightness settings and can be completely turned off for undisturbed sleep. Additionally, the Jall Sunrise Alarm Clock includes an FM radio function, automatically scanning for available stations within the 76.0 to 108.0 MHz frequency range, with manual tuning also supported. The volume is adjustable across 16 levels to suit individual preferences. Designed in a sleek, modern round shape with a white finish, it complements any bedroom aesthetic while providing practical functionality. Powered by a corded electric source, it offers a reliable and consistent wake-up experience without battery concerns. At number 4, the Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light, a scientifically designed alarm clock that simulates a natural sunrise and sunset to create a personalized wake-up and wind-down experience. Unlike traditional alarms that jolt you awake, this device gradually increases light intensity, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. With 20 brightness levels and 5 natural sounds, it ensures a smooth and gentle morning routine. The Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light is equipped with an FM radio, a tap snooze function, and a bedside lamp mode, making it a versatile addition to any bedroom. Its automatic dimmable display adjusts to ambient lighting, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience at night. Built on over 30 years of sleep research and developed with Philips Sleep and Respironics healthcare expertise, this wake-up light is clinically proven to improve morning mood and energy levels. Studies have shown that users experience a more effortless awakening, with 92% reporting an easier transition out of bed. The light's warm, gradual glow mimics a natural sunrise, triggering your body's natural wake-up process and reducing sleep inertia. Additionally, the sunset simulation helps you relax and prepare for sleep by gradually dimming the light to mimic the natural setting sun. Designed with an enamel finish and a durable plastic base, the Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light has a modern aesthetic that blends seamlessly into any bedroom decor. Its lightweight yet sturdy build, along with a 150cm cable, ensures flexibility in placement. Next on our list, we have the Hatch Restore. 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock is a modern sleep solution designed to improve your bedtime routine and help you wake up refreshed. Featuring a soft cocoa color and a sleek digital display, this alarm clock promotes healthy sleep habits with science-backed sleep sounds, customizable light settings, and a dimmable clock that keeps your room dark. Its built-in sleep content library offers meditative audio and guided routines, reducing screen time before bed. The Restore 3 helps you unwind with soothing soundscapes like meditative gold and unconventional meditations, preparing your mind for deeper rest. Wake up naturally with its sunrise simulation, which gradually brightens to align with your circadian rhythm, preventing harsh awakenings. The intuitive design allows for easy control with a single button, while a separate bedside light button provides a quick nightlight option when needed. Compatible with a free companion app on iOS and Android, this device lets you personalize your bedtime experience with an ever-growing library of sleep sounds, meditations, and sleep stories. The Hatch Restore 3 requires a stable Wi-Fi connection for use and must remain plugged in. Perfect for those seeking a peaceful, screen-free nighttime environment, this sunrise alarm clock delivers a seamless transition from rest to wakefulness. At number 2, the Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light is designed to enhance your morning routine with a natural sunrise simulation that gradually brightens to mimic the rising sun. With 10 adjustable brightness levels, it gently stimulates your body, making waking up easier and more refreshing. Unlike traditional alarms, this device combines light and sound for a more gradual and pleasant awakening. The warm, natural glow is accompanied by soothing sounds that slowly increase in volume, helping you transition from sleep to wakefulness with minimal disruption. Developed using Philips's extensive sleep and respiratory research, this wake-up light is clinically proven to improve morning mood and energy levels. It features a tap-to-snooze function for those who need a few extra minutes of rest, and it doubles as a bedside lamp with customizable brightness settings, making it perfect for reading or relaxing before bed. The sleek, compact design fits seamlessly into any bedroom decor with a durable plastic build that ensures long-lasting performance. Weighing just 1.19 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to place on any nightstand. The blue tinted shade adds a calming ambience to your space, enhancing its functionality beyond just a wake-up light. With over 30 years of expertise in sleep science, Philips has crafted a device that helps 92% of users wake up more easily. This innovative alarm clock is designed to combat sleep inertia, reduce grogginess, and align with your body's natural rhythms, making mornings less stressful and more. Number 1. Reacher Wood Grain Sunrise Alarm Clock. Taking the top spot is the Reacher Wood Grain Sunrise Alarm Clock is designed to gently wake you with a gradual sunrise simulation, replacing jarring alarms with a more natural awakening. The soft analog sunrise light begins illuminating 5 to 60 minutes before your set alarm time, transitioning from 1% to 100% brightness to help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. The modern wood grain design seamlessly blends into any bedroom, living room, or home office, doubling as a stylish decor piece while delivering functionality. Equipped with 26 soothing sleep aid sounds, including white, pink, and brown noise, as well as rain, wind, and ocean waves, it helps you relax and drift off naturally. The optional sleep timer can be set for 5 to 180 minutes, automatically turning off the sounds and light to promote uninterrupted sleep. The nightlight offers 8 different colors with adjustable brightness, making it ideal for reading or providing a soft glow without eye strain. The digital LED clock is fully dimmable, allowing you to customize its brightness to avoid disrupting your sleep. User-friendly physical controls make it easy to adjust settings, even at night, and no app is required. The 59-inch power cord offers flexible placement, ensuring convenient access to power sources. The built-in backup battery retains your last settings for time, sounds, and light, so you don't have to reset them after a power outage. Designed with safety in mind, the embedded battery eliminates swallowing risks, making it kid-friendly. The sleek wood grain finish gives this alarm clock a modern, clean look, making it both a practical and decorative piece. Whether for yourself, family, or friends, it's the perfect blend of style and function, offering a better way to wake up and wind down every day.